It is a rare and beautiful thing when a family member becomes a friend, and that is exactly what I have found in Olivia. She is a kind-hearted person in the life of any party, and I am proud to call her one of my favorite people on earth. Now it's time for Olivia to turn one of her best friends into family, and she couldn't have found a better partner than Austin. Finally, all of those weekly trips to Home Depot trolling for hunks paid off. Austin is one of the sweetest and most genuine people I know. He is always there with a truly corny joke or just some pure positivity. An admirable person I consider a friend and will be honored to call family. It wasn't all sunshine and roses with these two. They've been through their share of tough times. We all remember Austin's mustache. But they persevered.
I remember when Olivia told me she was going on a date with the guy she met from Home Depot. She texted me right before I had to switch my phone to airplane mode, which was big cliffhanger. And I had the whole plane ride to just spiral and think, who is this guy? Is he good enough for my best friend? He sure was. The two of you truly bring out the best in each other. You are each other's biggest supporters. It's been a joy to watch your relationship grow throughout the night. Olivia, you found your link. Austin is such an amazing person, and I'm so beyond happy that you two found each other.
And I've had some high times, and I've had some cursed, but none compared to the times that I've had with you. I'd take out a loan for just one day alone, to run back the time in slow motion. I'd sell my guitars, I'd spend life behind bars, to take one more trip through the story night. 'Cause this was the best day of my life. Thanks for the best day of my life.
How you feeling?
Oh my goodness.
How you feeling? How you feeling?
Wow.
Wow.
Holy shnikes.
Holy shnikes, you look
What?
so good.
It hasn't even started yet. Why are we crying?
No.
It's not yet. It hasn't even started.
Yeah.
There's gold in your eyes, son, a glow on your face, like a seaside sunrise somewhere along the PCH.
Take time out of each day and show your partner love and support. This can manifest itself in many forms, whether it's making a cup of coffee just the way she likes it, or perhaps sending a quick text wishing a great day at work. Though both of you will grow old together, showing your love never will. Sometimes one of you will have had a hard day at work and look to the other for guidance or just to listen. There's nothing like receiving great news and knowing exactly who you're going to share it with first. Your good news is going to be twice as good because you have someone to delight in it with, a person who is rooting unconditionally for your success. Miraculously, however, your bad news is never twice as bad. All difficulties are a little more bearable when you have a companion to help shepherd you. Your good times will heavily outweigh the bad as long as you continue to love and encourage your partner.
Can't promise you ease, can't promise you peace.
Austin, do you take Olivia to be your wedded wife, to have and to hold, to love and to cherish, to support and strengthen, till death do you part?
I do.
Olivia, do you take Austin to be your wedded husband, to have and to hold, to love and to cherish, to support and to strengthen, until death do you part?
I do.
I'll take out a loan for just one day alone, run back the time in slow motion. I'll sell my guitars, I'll spend life behind bars, I'll take one more trip through the storm. This was the best day of my life.
I have known Austin as long as I've known myself. He has always been here with me, helping me navigate the complexities of life. Austin may have monopolized the good gene for good hair and musical fortitude, but he has always been gracious and sweet as a big brother, and I think that's pretty rare and worth celebrating. Being the great catch of a man that he is, we had high expectations for his future wife, and boy did she deliver. The first thing I noticed and loved about Olivia was her ability to command an audience and her knack for storytelling. Olivia is one of those people on this planet who you can meet and be like, wow, this person is actually a fearless public speaker. I have watched you two since the beginning of the relationship, and I can confidently say you two are one of those couples who are gonna make it seem easy to everybody else. I'm so happy to get to share in this celebration of your love, and I hope everything is perfect for you today because you both deserve it and you deserve each other.
Take a look around at these beautiful people. They made plans, purchased tickets, Airbnbs. Just feel the love, soak it all in. Sister Olivia, you are truly one of the most genuine people I know. From the beginning, it's always been clear that you've had Olivia's best interests in mind. I mean, seriously, you shaved the mustache for her, and I know you wouldn't do that for anyone else.
It was really difficult.
I know. Yeah, you look great. You have been so kind, dedicated, and supportive. You mean so much to all of us, not just Olivia. All of us to say that Olivia is lucky to have you, but so are we. We love you, brother. Olivia, you light up any room you walk in. When you're not capturing an audience with your humor and storytelling in your quieter moments, you give your whole self to the people in your life. My girls are so lucky to have you as an aunt and a role model. Having you as sister is one of the greatest gifts of my life. Okay, drown out my tears. Let's lift our glasses and do a toast to Mr. and Mrs. Hidalgo, a lifetime full of love, happiness, and lots of health.